Hi everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome to another video. This week I'm going to do what I think is going to be a very simple and quick repair on this necklace. I found this in a jewelry jar probably a month and a half, 2 months ago, somewhere around there. And I like it. It looks practically new. The only thing that is wrong is this snapped off. This came apart. So I'm thinking this is faux leather. I don't think actual leather would do that so easily. So anyway, we are going to work on this today. Having to take this piece off, we're going to shorten it. So that's what, about 5-6 inches. So I am just going to cut that knot off right like that. This piece I don't think will be any good, but we don't throw anything away right away. So I'm going to trim this other piece, make it nice and clean. And how are y'all doing? You having a good day? I hope so. So I just snipped off that other knot, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this. I don't think we need to remove that, so I'm going to put these two ends together and come on down, and hopefully we can pull it like that. So I think we're doing really good. What we need to do is make sure these two, let me pull this down, we've got to get these two sides even. My mat keeps moving around. Alrighty, so we've got, I'm going to move this all the way down. What I'm going to do, what side this is? What did I say? This is going to be quick? I'm just... By doing that, I think we have, hopefully, move over. Hopefully they are close enough. So what we're going to do is bring this back down here, and we're going to thread these. We'll just even them up a little bit more. Going to thread these. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to put my finger on that bead, and I'm going to hold those taut so it'll open up the hole more. And hopefully we'll be able to get these two in without too much struggle. Well, I got one in. I might need to get something. I want to get them in both at the same time. Oh, that one? The one is coming through just fine. That second one does not want to cooperate. Let me do this so you don't have to sit through it. I'll be right back. Hold on. And wouldn't you know, as soon as I paused the camera, I got both of them through. So we've got them like this. So we're going to lay this out. I guess it really doesn't matter. We can adjust that later. So I'm going to take the two ends. So we've got it all back together, and we're just going to go ahead and tie a knot on this end and on the other end so that it won't come through that bead. It's just a simple knot, overhand knot, I think that's what you call it. Don't know my knots, but there we go. Was that not simple? That will eventually work itself out. We've got a couple pieces left. Don't know if we can do anything with it, but we'll hold on to it just in case. So there you go. And these are not quite the same. We could probably even that up, or I could just try to adjust this a little bit. That's good. All right. Yeah, it was pretty quick, wasn't it? So don't be so quick to throw these things out. Broken does not mean trash. I liked this, and I might even wear this. Who knows? So that's it for this week. Very quick, very easy repair, and I'll see you on that next video. So until then, you all take care. Bye-bye.